Today, we have a thrilling lineup of unconventional weapons that will leave you in awe. These innovative gadgets offer incredible firepower without relying on traditional bullets. So let's jump right in and explore the world of non-traditional firepower. This compact 3D printed repeating crossbow pistol will leave you amazed. This incredible gadget features an integrated quiver capable of holding up to 6 arrows. Powered by TheraBand gold rubber or standard pistol crossbow limbs, the Adderini packs a punch. You can load it manually or use additional ammo clips for automatic loading. Equipped with 2 Picatinny rails, you can attach a laser sight, flashlight, front handle, or even a red dot sight or short scope. The best part, for just $15, you can get the 3D files to print it yourself and unleash its power. This high-performance air rifle offers incredible projectile energy in a compact package. With a whopping 150 FPE at ultra-high working pressures of 4,500 psi, this air rifle delivers more shots with minimal power drop-off. Its folding stock adds portability, making it suitable for most backpacks. The AEA HP series boasts the best performance-price ratio in its range. Crafted with high-quality aviation aluminium and a hard anodized finish, these airguns are built to last. Get ready for excellent accuracy and reliability with this well-crafted air rifle. The price for the AEA HP SS Max is $600. This handheld flamethrower is not only affordable, but also loads of fun. Designed to entertain and bring excitement to your gatherings, the XM42 Lite delivers pure joy as flames shoot up to 33 feet. It's simple, compact, well-made, and easy to operate. Just charge the battery, fill the tank with gas or a gas-diesel blend, turn on the igniter and power, push the trigger, and you're ready for action. With a weight of 5.5 pounds and a fuel capacity of 0.3 gallons, you'll enjoy non-stop usage for 24 seconds with a range of 25 feet. For extended fun, you can even add an optional backpack, increasing the runtime to 4 minutes. Get ready for a whole new level of excitement with the XM42 Lite Flamethrower, priced at $600. Here we have an extraordinary 6-shot pump-action pneumatic air bow that's exclusively available from GoGun. This remarkable weapon is currently in the prototyping phase, promising a whole new level of power and versatility. With its unique design and cutting-edge technology, the GoGun Six Bow is set to revolutionize the world of air bows. Stay tuned for updates on its release. Next, we've got an exceptional 8-stage low-voltage capacitor augmented fully automatic coil gun. Unlike many coil guns, the EMG-01B operates at low voltage, providing rapid firing capabilities of up to 8 rounds per second, each traveling at over 45 meters per second. With its precise microcontroller and powerful lithium-ion polymer battery, this coil gun charges in under 1/10 of a second, allowing for impressive firing rates of up to 480 rounds per minute. The price for the Arc Flash Labs EMG-01B is $1,350. It may not be fatal, but here's a unique soda can launcher designed to add some excitement to your gatherings. This powerful device can launch any standard, unopened 12-ounce can with impressive range, averaging 105 yards. Perfect for those crowded parties where you want to surprise your friends with a refreshing beverage. The can cannon operates using a proprietary gas tube system that redirects high-pressure gas vertically, preventing delicate projectiles from being destroyed. With its versatility, you can even 3D print your own projectiles to explore creative possibilities. The can cannon is available for $300. Here we have the Steambow Fenris Magazine, a revolutionary accessory for compound bows. Designed in collaboration with renowned YouTuber Hjorg Sprav, this magazine transforms your compound bow into a whole new arrow weapon category. The Fenris-equipped bow offers ease of use, faster readiness, and incredible firing speed. With a capacity of 5 arrows and compatibility with most modern compound bows, the Finrus Magazine allows for rapid-fire capability without compromising accuracy. Crafted from durable and lightweight anodized aluminium, this magazine is built to last. The Steambow Fenris Magazine is priced at $1,100. According to the manufacturer, this is a game changer in the world of air archery rifles. This unique gadget provides you with a double-barrel PCP air archery rifle, offering power and precision for even the toughest game. What sets it apart is the ability to fire 2 arrows in quick succession. Just fire the first arrow, push the thumb barrel selector switch, and unleash the second arrow. With the texturing on the all-weather ambidextrous stock and grip, you can maintain a firm and consistent hold. The onboard pressure gauge allows you to monitor the rifle's fill pressure, ensuring you're always prepared. Priced at $500, the Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 is a must-have for any serious hunter. According to its manufacturer, this is the world's first compact underwater pistol capable of firing 2 harpoon arrows. This incredible device utilizes compressed air to accelerate mini harpoons, making it a must-have for underwater sports enthusiasts. The Scuba Ringer Mk2 is an improved version of the original Scuba Ringer, featuring 2 shots and reusable compressed air cartridges with attached arrow launch tubes. To reload, simply replace the spent cartridge with a loaded one, similar to a break barrel shotgun. The Scuba Ringer Mk2 provides an alternative for self-defense situations where conventional methods may not be viable. It is priced at $380. With this slingshot, you can start target practice in your backyard within minutes of delivery. The V-Series accepts various types of ammunition, including steel ball bearings, clay balls, marbles, and even small rocks or gravel in emergencies. The slingshot's extra-wide opening and ergonomic grip, coupled with the wrist brace for added stability, allow you to generate impressive power while maintaining accuracy. The foldable brace ensures easy storage, and the natural latex rubber bands are easily replaceable. The V-Series High Power Slingshot is available for $45. Here's a compact and versatile kit designed for personal protection. Law enforcement officers can rely on this barrel-less pistol for close-range defense. The kit includes non-lethal cartridges with various functions, such as traumatic signal, stun, illuminating, marking, and tear gas rounds. Weighing less than a pound when unloaded, this lightweight pistol is easy to carry as part of a security detail's daily kit. It features an integrated sighting laser for precise aiming, and all cartridges are electrically primed, ensuring they cannot be used in traditional firearms. The PB-4SP OSA Pistol provides law enforcement officers with a reliable tool for personal protection. Let's look at a unique weapon that combines the features of a pellet gun and an arbitration gun, offering a whole new shooting experience. This slim and ergonomic pistol crossbow requires minimal effort to operate. Simply insert a 16-gram or 12-gram CO2 cartridge into the Arrowstar handle, load an arrow into the barrel, and pressurize the gun by lowering the safety lever. With a range of 10 to 15 meters, the Arrowstar delivers impressive accuracy. Each gas cartridge allows for multiple shots, with up to 15 shots using a 12-gram cartridge or 20 shots with a 16-gram cartridge. The pressure regulator ensures consistency with each shot, regardless of temperature or gas filling level. Accessories like a stick for Arrowstar or a Picatinny rail adapter can be added to enhance your shooting experience. The Arcus Arrowstar, priced at $310, is ideal for target shooting enthusiasts.